Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fry Trains. Today, we're going to be building another train from Japan, and we're going to be building this Kiha E120 diesel multiple unit here. And from what I understand, this is a single self-contained powered rail car, but they can be strung together like this to form longer trains. And these are used on more rural Japanese routes where the rail network might not be electrified. So this is what it looks like here. Now let's get right into the build here. So we're going to start off on the bottom of the front, and we're going to put 3 blackstone brick bottom slabs across the center here. On the next block up above that, we're going to put a blackstone brick block in the middle and a blackstone brick top slab on either side, and then a block on each outside corner. Then on the middle, we're going to put a polished andesite slab here, and then 2 birch signs on either side of that slab. Then we're going to come underneath the corners and add a blackstone brick slab on bottom here, and then one on the bottom here. And then we'll come behind this. Right behind this on bottom, put a dark oak fence gate on each rail. In front of that, another wheel on each rail. In the middle, a polished andesite top slab. Then a 3x3 of top slabs in the middle, then 1 slab in the middle and another netherite wheel here and here with a fence gate on the back of each of these. Then come on the side of this, and we're going to put a birch sign here and here and open a birch fence gate in the middle. Also put a skeleton skull on all 4 netherite wheels. I forgot to do that. Then same thing here, open a fence gate and then a sign here and here. Then we're going to come behind this, right behind these stairs, put a temporary block down, and we need to go 3 wide of upside down polished andesite stairs facing backwards here. Then 3 polished andesite top slabs, then another 3 upside down stairs facing backwards. Then 3 top slabs, then another 3 stairs facing backwards. Then 2 rows of 3 top slabs in the middle, just like that. Then we're going to take out lodestone block and do a 3x4 of lodestone in the middle. Then we're going to skip 1 block back so there's a gap of space and do 2 rows of 3 stone brick walls in the middle. Then skip another block back, 2 rows of 3 stone brick walls again. Skip another block back, 2 rows of 3 stone brick walls again. All in the center. So there's a 1 block gap of space between all 3 of these stone brick wall sections. Behind this, a dark oak fence gate on each rail. Behind that, a netherite wheel on each rail. Then a polished andesite top slab, a 3x3 of top slabs behind it, then 1 in the middle, a netherite wheel here and here. Put a dark oak fence gate on the back of these wheels, then come on the side, open a birch fence gate in the middle, and put a birch sign on either side of it. Repeat on this side, so a sign here, and open a fence gate in the center. Then we're going to come behind this on bottom, and we're going to go 3 wide on the bottom middle with blackstone brick slabs. Above that in the middle, a blackstone brick block and a top slab on either side, then a block on each outer corner. Put a polished andesite slab here on the second layer, and 2 birch signs on either side of it. Then come underneath this corner and put a blackstone brick slab on the bottom here, and then 1 on the bottom here. And then this is where I remembered the skeleton skull, so we're going to go through the whole train and put a skeleton skull on the side everywhere we have a netherite wheel. Make sure we do that on both sides here. Next, come on the second layer with cyan terracotta up here, right behind the blackstone brick block. And we're going to go 3 wide on the top middle, and we're just going to bring that down all the way across the top of this second layer to the other end of the car here. Then on the side of this second layer, right here, we're going to put 3 lime concrete and then 2 yellow concrete. Repeat on this corner, 2 yellow here, 3 lime here. Then copy it the other end but the opposite way. So 3 lime concrete here, 2 yellow here. And then repeat on this side here. And then finally, fill a whole row of lime concrete across this outer top edge on the middle here. And then same thing on this side. Do a full row of lime concrete across the top outer edge on this side as well. Then we're going to come through everywhere there's yellow concrete. We're going to put 2 bamboo doors on all 4 of these yellow concrete sections here. Just like that. Now come on this end. We're going to put a birch door in the middle, a lime concrete on either side, and then a birch button on the right hand one. Then on each outer edge, we're going to do a column of 3 black concrete coming up each side. Then we're going to put 2 black stained glass blocks on either side of the door, a black concrete in the middle, 3 black concrete on the top middle. On the center here, a glow item frame with a frog light. Then come on the side here and put 2 white banners in a column like this. And then come to this side and put 2 white banners on this side. Then we're going to come to this other end and repeat. So we're going to put a door in the middle, 3 black concrete on either side, and a lime concrete on either side of the door. Then a birch button on this concrete, 2 black stained glass blocks on either side of the door, concrete on top, 3 on the top middle, a glow item frame with a frog light. Next to this, put a dark oak sign and just do a bunch of hashtags, because I don't know what it says. Hit it with orange dye and a glowing sack. Then put a smooth quartz slab on each top corner here. Then come to this end again, and we'll put a smooth quartz slab on each top corner of this end. And then another dark oak sign here with a bunch of hashtags. Hit it with orange dye and a glowing sack. Then I forgot the banners down here, so come back to this end. Get 2 white banners on the side here. And 2 on this side right here. Then come behind this, put a green concrete in all 4 of these corners, and then a light gray above all 4 of those. Then we're going to put a birch door here and here. And then repeat at this other end. So a green concrete in all 4 of these corners, light gray above all 4 of those, and a birch door on either side. Then on the other side of this door, just do a full single layer of green concrete all the way down this top outer edge. And repeat on the other side, a full layer of green concrete all the way down this side as well. Then we're going to go to light gray concrete here. And we're going to put 1 light gray next to each door here. Come to this end, 1 next to each door here. Then go to black concrete and do 1, skip 2, 1, skip 2, 1, skip 2, 1, and keep doing that. And it should line up with this end like this with 2 block wide windows. Then we're going to copy it on this side directly across. Except in this corner, we're going to fill this one here with black concrete because it's missing 1 window here. Then go back through and we're going to fill all of these window gaps with 2 black stained glass panes each on both sides of the car. Now we're going to go back to light gray concrete, start at one end on top and just do a full single layer of light gray concrete all the way across the top to the other end. And then repeat on this side and do a full layer of light gray concrete all the way across the top of this side as well here. Just like that. Now we're going to make a banner, come into a loom, black banner, green dye, make the bottom half green. Then put a white horizontal stripe on the middle. Then do a light gray banner, green dye, make the bottom half green, and a white horizontal stripe on the middle. So we're going to take this gray one here, and we're going to put 1 here, here, and here. And then same thing, 1 here, here, and here. And then repeat on this side, 1 here, here, and here. And same thing in this corner. Then switch to our black and green one. Basically, we're going to put 1 everywhere we have a black concrete between all these windows. And then repeat on this side. And put 1 of these banners on every single one of these black concretes between the windows here. Then grab a birch sign up here, put 1 here, skip 2 and do a warp sign up here. Then repeat on this side. Come over here, we're going to put a birch sign here, skip 2 and do a warp sign. Then go back to a birch sign and come down above this window and put 1 birch sign here, and then 1 on this side right here. Now come inside here between these 2 sets of front doors, put an iron block on either side, 2 glass blocks above it on each side, 1 on the top middle, and a door in here. Put a lever over on this corner for the control cab, and a smooth stone slab over here. Then we'll do the cab on the other end, and repeat. So come down between these doors, put a lever here, iron block here and here, 2 glass blocks on either side, 1 on the top, and a door here. Get a smooth stone slab down in this corner. Then come right here. We're going to put 3 iron blocks here on this side where there's no window. Then skip 2 and do another column of 3. Then 2 on the top middle here. Then down in here, we're going to put an M portal. Then turn this way and put an iron door over it to wall it off. Then come in here and crouch, and then hang a white banner to hide the window on that door. Then right here, we're going to put a birch door here. Then behind this door, put 3 iron bars, and where this window divider is, right here, put 3 iron bars. Then put 3 inward facing dark prismarine stairs here for a seat. Then come to the doors here, right behind them, put 3 iron bars and a column on either side. Then, after this first window, do 3 iron bars here, 3 on this side, and put 3 inward facing dark prismarine stairs on either side. Then we're going to come back here, put 3 iron bars here, and then for the rest of this, just put a single stair facing forward, every other block, coming up each side of the car here, for all the rest of the seats. Then we need to light it, so we're going to take out end rods on this top middle. And we're just going to put a full row of end rods coming off that glass block in the middle, horizontally, and come all the way across the top, down to this other end here. Just like that. That one and that one aren't supposed to be there. Then we're going to come back outside and take out our light gray concrete on top. And we're going to go 3 wide in the middle right here and start at one end. And we're just going to go 3 wide on the top middle, all the way across to the other end with light gray concrete here. And then once we have that, we're going to take out polished andesite slabs on this top outer edge and just do a full row of bottom slabs coming all the way across the top. And repeat on this side and do a full row of polished andesite bottom slabs all the way across the top on this side as well here. Just like that. Then on top of the end, put 3 white carpet here. And on top of the other end, put 3 white carpet here. Now on the middle of the end here, put a dark oak fence gate, a birch one behind it, and open it. Then we're going to crouch and get an iron trapdoor on top of this birch fence gate like this. Then behind this, we're going to do a 3x4 of iron trapdoors. Then put a wither skeleton skull here. Then behind that, we're going to do a 3x6 of iron trapdoors. Then we'll start and do a wither skeleton skull here, skip 1, and a 3x3 of polished andesite slabs, then 3 in the middle. 3 deep slate tile slabs here and here. Then we're going to go down to the other end, and same thing. In the middle, a dark oak fence gate, then open a birch fence gate. Then crouch and get an iron trapdoor on top of this here. Behind this, a 3x4 of iron trapdoors, skip 1, and we need to do another 3x6, but I miscalculated this middle part here. So we need to make that 6 long, and we'll just take out these 3 here, and these three here, so that it's equal. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our Kiha E120 DMU. Like I said, you can have this running by itself, or you can use the structure command to copy in more of these, as they do occasionally get strung together and form longer trains, from what I've read. So I hope everyone enjoyed this build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week and stay safe out there.